What does 4th of July mean to you?
Very much.
Good enough. Calista?
Really special.
And Emma?
I like July.
And Emma?
Yeah, peace out. I'm gonna watch fireworks.
That's great. That's a good answer. Jay? Same as her. Good answer.
Same as him.
Same as him, which was the same as her, which was better than hers, and hers.
I love fireworks, and I love eagles, and I love blue. Oh, wait. And I love orange. I love you. Bye. I love you.
Do you love me?
Yeah.
We're not friends yet, but do you love me? Sure. How about them? Come on, give me some loving. I need some loving right there. I need. Oh, yeah. This is